Ryan from Kamalifestyles.com. Guys, today I'm going to talk about how to attract women with eye contact. Women have mastered the art of eye contact as seduction and attraction tool. However, most men do not know how to use eye contact to attract the women they like. There are different types of eye contact and some speak more than words. You just have to know the message you're sending to your eye contact. The power of eye contact will also help you evaluate when a woman is interested or not. The trick of using eye contact is to remain relevant and don't appear creepy. Here are ways on how to attract women with eye contact. Initiate the eye contact. The trick of using eye contact to attract women is you initiate the contact. It will help you to take control of the situation and also create the environment you want. I call this the Icebreaker Eye Contact. Wearing a soft smile when you're looking at the woman you like will show her that you're interested in her and you're a friendly person. When she looks at you, smiles, giggles, or puts her hair behind, then you know you're on the same page. Always look out for the non-verbal cues that indicate a woman is interested in you. Look straight at her. The myth of looking at a woman from one side of your eye will attract her only works in movies. Once you have initiated the eye contact and the response is positive, look away, not down. Your eye contact will tell a woman if you're a confident guy. Since you're sending a message to her, steal another glance and look straight at her. The point is making it obvious that you're looking at her and not anything else. Try to make the eye contact's duration reasonable so you don't appear like you're stretching your neck or a creep. The eyebrow trick. Sometimes we raise our eyebrows unconsciously without knowing it. That increases attraction. When you are looking at the woman you like, then raise your eyebrow when smiling and it sends a message that you like what you see. Raising your eyebrow is also a natural way to brighten your face that makes you appear more attractive. Most women who are interested will respond immediately to an eyebrow flash with a smile or giggle. The flirty eye contact. Once you have established that she's into you, then it's time to unleash the big guns. Non-verbal flirtation is the more efficient and intense because everyone in the room has to fantasize, and it also creates curiosity when you're trying to figure out what the other person is thinking. You can be talking about the weather but your eyes are saying something else, and if she plays along then you've just landed the jackpot. Flirty eyes are intense and piercing but also soft and warm. You can also flirt with your eyes by where you're looking. If you look at her neck, legs or cleavage and smile, then it's a hint to her. However, be cautious because if you stare for too long or at the inappropriate time, you might appear like a perv. Some women are not receptive to eye contact because they feel like it's an intrusion of their personal space. So try and read her non-verbal cues as a cue for eye contact technique. Always make sure that your body language screams the same thing as your eyes. Gents, that's all from me today, but if you want more information about our services, you can contact me by email on Gabriella@Kamalifestyles.com and I'll come back to you shortly. And of course, if you simply like my video, then please share, comment, like and subscribe. I'm Gabriella Ryan and I will see you next time.